Hello, I'm Brody here down here at Sportsland. We're going to talk about the 2023 Eclipse Stellar 19 SBG. This thing is a nice toy hauler. It's one of the smaller toy haulers. Has about a 13.5 feet long open area for your toys. Here on the outside, we've got nice fiberglass walls, big windows, huge awning, almost the size of the whole trailer. Comes out about 8 feet, and there's nice bright light. You got your big 15-inch black aluminum wheels. This thing comes wrapped and insulated with heated tanks, which will allow you to camp out further into the winter season. As we walk back here, you can see this toy hauler. We got the upgraded cable, so you can make this into a little porch. Throw some lawn chairs, your barbecue, something if you'd like. Hang out and party back up to a lake or the beach or the sand dunes, wherever you're going. You got a screen that comes down there, so if you got lots of bugs, mosquitoes, you got a nice little screen that you can pull down. And then of course, when you undo these cables, this will go all the way to the ground so you can drive your toys up into the trailer. As we walk around this way, you'll see we just brought this in from outside, so it's kind of draining, but you can kind of see how the rain gutters work. This one has a 40-gallon, this one's the upgraded to the 40-gallon gas station back here. So you can bring this out, fuel up your toys. Let's see, you got your jacks on all four corners. As we walk back around here, you'll see you got the black tank flush. All of your water connections over here. 6-gallon hot water heater, DSI, and then you'll have your 30-amp service. You got a little bit of storage back here underneath here. Right now, you see you got your ladder back there. That ladder will be for the bunk on the inside. We'll go inside and look at that. Let's walk around here. You can see the total length of this is about 26 feet, 8 inches. You got your bigger 30-gallon propane tanks up front. Nice fiberglass front cap with the light up here. You also got a light underneath your jack, which is an electric jack here as well. Battery disconnect will be right up here on the front jack. And let's walk around here, see if I missed anything. Got all of your nice lights, nice clean color. And let's go on inside. I'll show you what the inside looks like. All right, here we are on the inside of the 2023 19 SBG Stellar, made by Eclipse, Attitude, toy hauler. Eclipse, all they make are toy haulers. So they just specialize in the toy haulers. They don't make motorhomes. They don't make anything else but these toy haulers. You'll see this one is about 13.5 feet open here for your toys. You got your bunk here that will go all the way up to the roof. Both of these couches back here. Got some nice room, all the tables up here, but then these couches will come together to make a bed down here. You can make a bed up here, sleep 4 or 5 kids on these two. And then the bottom, when the couches are together, you can put those all the way up to the top so you'll have room for your toys in here, or the couches can fold up right up to the wall. Depends on if you need the height or the width. It's about 76 inches from here to here, so it'll fit a lot of your toys. We got some nice recliners. These ones you can pull out underneath the awning, keep them in here if it's a rainy day, or put them out on the ramp out here. Little bit of storage room up here. Got some storage. Another one. Got all of your controls up here for the water pump and the water heater. Radio. Got some inside speakers, and you got some outside speakers. You can have them all on at the same time, or auto, zone 1, zone 2, whatever you have. Got your kitchen area right over here. You got some drawers, nice big wide deep drawers in there. You got your oven with a 3-burner stove. Got your microwave. Got your sink, little spray hose port right here. Got some more storage. See, you got your tie down, so you'll have a bunch of tie downs in here for your toys to keep them strapped down good. Let's see. All right, let's go back over here. I'll show you the fridge. Got a nice big old fridge over here. It's 110 and propane. Dometic. Then you got your little decent size queen bed, corner queen bed right here with your 32-inch TV that's on a swing bracket, so you can swing that TV around and let everybody watch it. There's drapes, a little drape that'll come along in here. And then let's check out the big pantry right here. So you walk in, you got a lot of space to, throw some helmets, gloves, jackets, what have you. And then let's check out this bathroom. Got your bathroom in here. Nice size bathroom, pretty big. Nice porcelain toilet down here. You can use all the same chemicals you use on your home toilet to clean that. Got your nice little sink, little medicine cabinet in here, and you got tons of head space. So for all of you tall guys, you should have some room in here. I'm about 5'9". And yeah, I think that'll do it for this 2023 Stellar 19 SBG made by Eclipse RV. And we're down here at Sportsland in Salt Lake City. I'm Brody. Hope you guys have a good day. Let motorsports